If you are entering in BMS first year and absolutely have no idea what's going on, don't worry. हम भी इस phase से गुजरे. And at this point of life, you feel like you're moving one step ahead in your life. Hi, I'm Shraddha, a second year BMS student and your BMS senior. In this video, I will tell you everything that is I wish someone has told me in my BMS first year. I know you are so excited for your college life, but back of the mind, tension भी आ रहा है और stress भी आ रहा है. I am going to make your first year journey little less scary and much more fun. And I know आधे तो इसी दुख में है कि MBBS नहीं मिला. But the rule number one is be positive. No matter what, set the situation with no regrets of कि थोड़ी और पढ़ाई कर लेती तो शायद MBBS मिल जाता. To be very honest, on the very first day, our teachers tell us the one line to keep in mind is that कि तुमने आयुर्वेद को नहीं चुना, आयुर्वेद ने तुम्हें चुना है. And this one line literally changed my whole perspective कि कोई भी आके आयुर्वेद नहीं कर सकता, तुम हम जैसे ही लोग कर सकते हैं आयुर्वेद. Okay, now what will happen when you go to the college? College organizes the transition curriculum program for the 15 days. In this 15 days of transition curriculum, they will tell you about Ayurveda, its benefits, its scope in future, and the mindset that you should keep in mind in your BMS first year. And obviously, this curriculum has some activities that will help you to interact with your batchmate. And I remember कि हमें first year में ड्रामा करने बोला था curriculum में, and it was so fun to do that because हमारे group का नाम साफ था. Now comes the most important part. What you will study in BMS first year. There are 5 subjects: Rachna Shari, Kriya Shari, Padhat Vigyan, Ashtang Uday and Charak, and Sanskrit. I will tell you short introduction of the subject. Like Rachna Sharir is related to the anatomy of the body. That the name denotes Rachna, means how the body is aligned. Second is Kriya Sharir. The name defined is that Kriya means work, how the body works, the physiology of the body. The third is Padhat Vigyan. To be very honest, this subject is hard to understand, but once you understand, it's the super scoring subject. And basically, this subject is based on the psychological facts, so it's better to get in that way. Number 4 is Charak and Ashtanga. These are the classical texts written by the Acharya Charak, and Vagbhat contains the foundational knowledge of Ayurveda. 5th, Sanskrit, the most haunted subject in BMS first year. And literally, मुझे भी इससे बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता था. And the pro tip is that कि you need so much of hard work plus smart work to pass in BMS first year Sanskrit. I was also a CBSE student and I have never touched the Sanskrit in my whole life, but still I managed to pass Sanskrit in my BMS first year. So if I can, you get it. Now the last and most important question कि क्या ये सब हमें संस्कृत में पढ़ना है? The answer is no. So संस्कृत सब्जेक्ट छोड़कर बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट हम कोई भी लैंग्वेज में ले सकते हैं, लाइक हिंदी, इंग्लिश और मराठी. To be very honest, मैं पढ़ती मराठी में से हूँ और मैं पेपर में लिखती हूँ नोट. So it's different on the comfort of a language you have. And बाकी के 4 सब्जेक्ट्स में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट श्लोक होते हैं जो हमें पेपर में लिखने ही पड़ते हैं और याद करने ही पड़ते हैं to score good marks in exams. So at last, I just want to say कि तुम स्टार्टिंग में लगेगा कि कौन से लोग आ गए हो, but once you give Ayurveda patience, I can guarantee you that Ayurveda will not disappoint you. If you want more videos like this, do subscribe and comment down below. तब तक के लिए